Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event. Yes, you heard me correctly. I do have some updates to share with you all. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so jumping right in, first up I need to start off by apologizing to everyone. I am very, very sorry. I told you guys some information that was wrong. And I did not do that intentionally or anything like that. I believe just, some wires are crossed. There was all kinds of confusion surrounding this clearance event and the sales event and 3-day sales, 7-day sales, all the things going on. And just so that you guys know, I do have several sources where I get my information, and we were kind of all on the same page, thinking that the clearance event, the part that included the clearance section and the POG clearance, would end yesterday on Sunday, and then Dollar General must have been talking about the sales event and that would go on until Thursday. So somewhere along the line, some wires got crossed. There's been a lot of confusion, different stores saying different things, managers, kind of interpreting these memos in their own way. So there's just been a lot of confusion, but I do apologize because I did tell you all some bad information yesterday. Yesterday, which was Sunday, October the 1st, was not the last day of our Dollar General clearance event. Now, I was specifically talking about the portion that includes our clearance section and our POG clearance items where we have coupon matchups and all of those good things. So that is actually going to continue and run through Thursday, October the 5th. Now, last week I did upload several videos going over some clearance categories, as well as the clearance section, POG clearance items, hidden clearance items, along with their coupon matchups. So I will have all of those videos linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for this video, I went ahead and threw together some new coupon matchups because, as you all know, we just received new coupons on our account yesterday. So we have some new coupon matchups, new freebies, new overages, and some money makers. So I went ahead and threw this video together for us really quick. And of course, you're going to see new coupon matchups. You're going to see some new items that were not included in last week's videos. And you will see some repeat items that I included in last week's videos that we now have new coupons for. But the majority of them are brand new items with brand new coupon matchups. And while we're taking a look at these new items and new coupon matchups, and there are a lot in this video, I do have a few questions to ask you guys. So, number one, as far as videos go this week, what would you like to see from me as far as the clearance event goes? Do you want to see more clearance event videos? Do you want to see more coupon matchups? Do you only want me to bring you freebie deals and overage items? Or would you also like to see hidden clearance items that maybe we don't have coupons for, but they're still a really good deal right now? Or are you just over it? Are you done with the clearance shopping? You went this weekend, you're tired, and you're just over it. You guys, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. Please be nice, be kind. I always try to keep my comment sections kind and positive and helpful, okay? So let's keep it kind in the comments. But if you guys would, please just take a few minutes. It doesn't have to be long or anything like that. Just take a few minutes. Let me know, how are you feeling? What are you thinking? And that will kind of help, me decide which way I should go with this week's videos. Should I still be focusing on the clearance event with coupon matchups, deals, hidden clearance items? Some of you guys may only want to see freebies and overage items. Let me know down in the comment section below. Or, some people may just be done with the clearance event and you may just want to see our regular videos, our coupon matchups, our glitch list, run deals, sales, 5 off 25s, more along those lines. So just let me know. That would be super, super helpful, and it would help me help you. So let me know down in the comments, and I'm going to turn on a little background music, and I'll be back with you all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so we've made it past our halfway mark, so I just wanted to pop back in and remind you all, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app because we definitely have bonus points right now on General Mills products, Colgate, Old El Paso, Progresso Soup, and many, many more. So don't forget to scan your receipts, and if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, my referral code is going to be on the screen at the end of this video as well as down in the pinned comment and the description box. If you use my referral code, I'm not quite sure, they keep switching it up, but you will get some sort of bonus for using that code. Now also, don't forget that if you picked up any P&G brand items over the weekend, scan your receipt into the pngoodeveryday.com website. They also have a little point system on there where you can earn gift cards. And if you're looking for free printable coupons, they also have free printable coupons on the P&G website, as well as our Shop Me app. And also you can find some on Inbox Dollars. Now I know that I do not mention this app enough, but I make all kinds of money on this app just by playing games. So make sure that you check out Inbox Dollars. My referral link is in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. And if you use it, you're going to get $5 just for signing up. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And please don't forget before you go to leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know what you're thinking about this clearance event and what kind of videos you want to see from me this week. And of course, don't forget to do all the things. If you haven't already, make sure that you're subscribed, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.